Welcome, dear all. Dear students, today we are going to learn 3.2, that is mind mapping. The title of the topic is Do Schools Really Kill Creativity? In this topic, we are going to learn definition of mind mapping, various components of mind mapping. Even we are going to learn how to prepare mind mapping. So let's start. First, we are going to solve icebreakers which are given on page number 141. First icebreaker. Observe the following figure and complete the activities. Dear student, you can see this is guided activity. The tree means main idea, and there are three branches given. There means sub branches you can give, and afterwards those branches are divided into again another part, that is a twig. So suppose if I take example of movie, so our main idea is movies. So now there are various types of movies: comedy movies, adventure movies, horror movies, science movies. Suppose now if you take example of science as a branch, you can divide it is on a various astronomy, inventions, gadgets, etc. So you can take any main idea, you can give the title, and afterwards supporting idea can be considered as a branches, and those supporting branches also you can divide it. Now let's solve second icebreaker. Now complete the given blank in spaces. Balloons are given there, you can see easily with your ideas in figure that describes the basic preparation for SSC board examination, and complete the activities. Now dear student, the topic is about preparation for HSC board examination. Now this is main idea, central idea. Now what are the sub points, sub branches? You can write it. First is given there. Throughout, thorough reading all of the textbook is very important if you want to prepare for HSC exam. Second, balloon, you can see that you have to prepare the proper timetable throughout year. Your timetable should be prepared. Then writing practice is required. Third balloon, memorizing formulas, equation. Fourth balloon, if you want to provide time for relaxation or physical exercise, you can prepare it. Even you can prepare memory, notes, mind maps, note making. Even you can collect notes of previous students, and definitely writing model answers is the most important topic. So student, we have already solved now icebreakers. Now let's focus on our main topic, that is mind mapping. Now what is mind mapping? Let's see the definition first. Mind map is a visual representation of hierarchical information that includes a central idea surrounded by connected branches of associated topics. As I already told you, this is visual, imaginative representation, but there should be main idea, central idea, and it should be connected with other branches. Now, what is actually mind mapping concept? Let's get the detailed information. This concept is discovered by Tony Buzan. Mind mapping is a great way to brainstorming activity. Even in your exam there are various activity, fill the web, some titles are given there and remaining topic you have to fill, that is brainstorming activity. Make a plan or turn ideas into steps needed to make it real. Mind mapping is a technique of visual representation to show relationship between various ideas, concepts or other information. Even it helps in project planning, collecting and organizing data, brainstorming and presentation. And last topic, Last point, to help to solve problems, find resources, and uncover new ideas. See, as you know that mind mapping is completely new word for you people, but already you have learned what is note making. It look like note mapping, but not exactly note making. See, there are visually organizing ideas, thought, and information, which is completely imaginative. A non-linear approach reflects the way human beings think and organize information. You have to collect, it is a collection of words and drawing. See, in the image only you can see there are waves, some color images are there. You have to use words as well as drawing. Organizes thoughts and information around a single topic or problem. Even it has many applications in personal, professional, and educational situation. Now the most important thing, see, when you are going to use mind mapping activity, whenever you are going to sort out a complex idea, that what are the sub points, how you are going to simplify, that time you can prepare mind mapping to consolidate information from different sources, to come up with new ideas, to aid in decision making and planning activities, allowed to creatively generate and organize ideas, even consider alternatives to make decisions, to support in interviewing and studying. Now this is very important thing, students. Even mind mapping is going to help you for studying as well as interviewing, provides an alternative approach to conventional note taking. This is just alternative option for note taking. Let's get more information about mind mapping. If you are tired of constantly getting lost in thicket of ideas, half concept, or free floating words that emerged from your observations or brainstorming session, then you should think about mind mapping tool. Now there are various thickness ideas, half concept, floating ideas, but if you want to brought all those together in a single map, you can use mind mapping tool. See now what are the benefits, advantages of mind mapping activity. See, one by one. It helps brainstorms and explore any idea, concept, or problem. It facilitates better understanding of relationships and connections between ideas and concepts. Make it easy to communicate new ideas and thoughts processes. Allow student to easily recall information. Even this is a studies tool like note making and summary. In a short span, you can recollect the thoughts, ideas. So it is very easy at the time of examination. Help student take notes and plan tasks. Make it easy to organize ideas and concepts. See, what are the other benefits of mind mapping? Even it helps identifying and understand the structure of the concept. Makes it easy to see how pieces of information fit together. Even it is easier to structure, classify, summarize, and recall. Recall means remember. Offers new insights into new possibilities and creative solutions to improve existing process and practices. Now here is the example of mind map. The topic will be given there. You can insert any topic there. It depends on computer, study, life skill, language, anything. Main point, then sub point, and that is the order, proper order you have to follow. Now see here, the example is given there. Why mind map now? How it is going to improve yourself, what are the uses, and what type of reduction it will be you even communicate. So even mind maps, we have prepared mind map. So go through this mind map in detail, you will get other information. Let's see. How to construct mind map? Now this is the most important topic, how you are going to construct mind map. First of all, present the topic or problem you are exploring. You have to consider what topic, what problem you are exploring. Consider it first. Draw a circle in the middle of the paper. First start with circle, then write the title in the circle. Draw lines out of the circle to initiate the main points. First central idea, then main branches. Brainstorm and add information to the main points by creating more branches. And one by one, you are going to add more information, sub branches. You can use colors, you can add images, icons, symbol, various shapes like circle, triangle, square, rectangle, diamond, anything you can use it here. Show association by connecting the related items. But the most important thing, the topic which you are going to add, there should be correlation. Provide the opportunity to add to mind maps later as you come across new information. Now, how you are going to implement mind mapping skill? See, all mind map begin with main idea. Again, I am repeating the same thing. Circle first, the main idea first, the topic first, then create branches as many as you required, and then create the sub branches. But the sub branches will also contain words that elaborate the main topic of the branch. It stems from. This helps to develop and elaborate on the overall theme of the mind map. Now, how you are going to prepare mind map? See, first lines, structure, paper, and use. Now, what kind of use you can take? Words are required, images required, color required. If you want, you can use key. You can take printout or lines. Now, what type of line you can use here? Connecting lines, thicker lines, lengthy lines. Even word and image also you can include there. Now, what type of styles? Fun, emphasize, personal, and beauty. And structure, it should be clear, association, radiant, and hierarchical. So, using this type of information, you can easily create mind map. So, you can take the screenshot also and you can study it in a detail. See example of mind map now. Now the title is given there, personal development tool, and afterwards using personal development tool there are the other branches like here you can easily go through it and create this type of mind map. Now the main idea, tool to aid personal development, start with make use of, remember, then program, then improve, self image. So these are the all other branches, and afterwards you can continue the same branch, but the word should be associated with the title. Now example, I will show you some sample copies. You can go through it, and dear student, you can easily create this type of colorful mind map using colored image, title, then words. See one more. So I hope you understood how to create mind maps. There are some sample copies given in your textbook also, and I hope you understood how to use mind map. We learned today definition of mind map, advantages of mind map, the concept, how to prepare mind map using various tools. Even in your textbook also some information is given there, some samples are given there. You can go through it very easily. On page number 144 the example is also given there, 21st century skills like problem solving, transfer of skill, communication, learning, how to learn various things. So these are the mind map activities. So let's get more sample of mind map. Now here is one more mind map for you students. You can easily go through it and understand various models, structures, size, graphs, color, images very easily. Now this is homemade banana ice cream recipe. Now look, there is no limit for the topic. You can choose any central idea, and accordingly you can convert branches, main branches, sub branches, ingredient, machine method, hand method, storage, serving. See, various images are drawn there. One more sample copy. See central. Now how it works: first central idea, branches, sub branches, icon images, links, boundaries, and overview, and finally your presentation. So these are the all associations or helping aids, helping points for you people. What kind of information you can insert here, like diagram, symbol, words, figure, then color, photograph, image, rhythm, movement, everything you can include there. So here the further information also is given there. You can go through it and easily understand what is mind map. So I hope, dear student, you understood the topic clearly. Is there any doubt? You can revise the video and slowly you can take the screenshot and you can understand all this concept. So finally I'll show you last sample of mind map. Career development. See, various careers development are there. What are the other points are given there, like skill, work, future, lifestyle, interest, etc. Thank you for watching this video.